This is probably the most crowded place of Istanbul, the most crowded district, whether in summer or in winter. And the most famous food of this place is undoubtedly kumpir. Hey, can I get a kumpir, please? Kumpir is a very simple but very delicious food made from potatoes. It is one of the indispensable foods of Ortaköy. First, potatoes are cooked in the oven with their skins at a high temperature. The potatoes are cut in half. Then, butter and cheddar cheese are added. And the rest is up to you. You can put anything inside it, anything you want, from corn to pickles and olives, sausage, ketchup, and mayonnaise. Oh my God, guys, this is so good. And I'm in front of the Bosphorus enjoying my kumpir right now. Some may add a pickle if they want, but for the real pickle, we're gonna go to Kemerburgaz, where the pickle is famous. Let's go. Kemerburgaz is a district of Eyüp Sultan and has become one of the most popular districts of Istanbul, especially in the past few years. It has a very active life that is both close to Istanbul and far from Istanbul life. A calm and decent area. This is the place where the biggest restaurants in Istanbul get their pickles from. I'm so lucky because I'll be able to go in and taste them all. Now, a pickle is actually turşu in Turkish, and a turşu is a fruit or a vegetable that is being kept in acidic solution, such as lemon or vinegar, and being stored for a long time. Now, the most famous ones in Turkey are cabbage, these peppers, and the regular pickles we know, these tiny cucumbers. But this place has made so many different pickles, turşus, that it's unbelievable. Now, come over here, look at this. We have all different kinds of turşus, and this one is stuffed eggplant. Isn't that crazy? Can I get one? Thank you so much. Look at my man over here. Now I'm trying it. Oh my God, so juicy. And it tastes so good. Really, it's different. Now I want to try another one. Let me get the regular pickle. Let me get this one. That's so good. Hey, my man, you want to try one too? Okay. You're cool. All right. Even if you don't like pickles, you definitely have to try out pickle water because it's very healthy, unless you have a sensitive stomach. Now here we have a sweet one and a spicy one. I'm gonna go for the sweet one. Come here. Look at this. I think after all these pickles, a good yogurt will do me nicely. We are now in Kanlıca, one of the most luxurious districts of the Bosphorus. This place is especially famous for its mansions and also for its yogurt, which is at least as famous as the mansions. People from all over the country come here to taste this yogurt actually. Kanlıca yogurt has a history of approximately 150 years. It is a little more sour than the yogurts we know, because it is fermented with black yeast. You can even sprinkle powdered sugar on it if you want. This yogurt is made without any additives in the milk, which boils at 100 degrees Celsius, and it's really different from everything we just had. You might be wondering why the top of my yogurt was red. It's because I ordered mine with mulberry syrup, and it's very delicious. Since we're shooting a video about the things that are really popular in Istanbul, there is the most popular köfte on the European side of Istanbul. Of course, the Sultanahmet Köfte. There it is. There it is. When we visited the most famous mosques of Istanbul, we have shown you the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to click this link right here. We're going to eat köfte today, which is actually meatballs, but the Turkish way. Let's see how it is. The most important feature of Sultanahmet Köfte is that unlike the traditional Turkish meatballs, there are no spices in it. This köfte only contains ground beef, onions, and salt. The secret is that minced meat is obtained from animals from different regions such as Afyon and Çanakkale. Another secret is that the minced meat is made only from the shanks and the brisket of the animal. If you happen to come here, you have to try this one. Each district of Istanbul definitely has a special dish with a special flavor. One of the most famous among these is the Fatih roll dessert. We are now in the historical peninsula of Istanbul. This is also the oldest settlement in Istanbul. With such a rich history, Fatih is not only famous for its Sultanahmet Köfte, but also for its roll dessert. I would have loved to tell you how Fatih rolls are made, but unfortunately, the recipe is kept secret. All we know is that it's made from a very good sponge cake. Okay, so here we go. You can see it's a little syrupy and it's very soft. I'm gonna try it right now. This is so good. A different flavor is hidden in every corner of Istanbul, but this much flavor is enough for me. I want to finish this delicious feast with a wonderful boza. This is the district of Vefa, popular for its narrow streets and houses from the Ottoman Empire. It takes its name from Abul Vefa. The district of Vefa bears the name of an exalted saint who has a very rich heart and does not value worldly things. And what you see in my hand is Vefa Bozası, one of the oldest Turkish drinks. Boza is made from millet and corn. Millet and corn are processed in the mill and boiled until they become dough. Then, water is added to the dough and it goes through a strainer. After adding sugar, it becomes boza. The dense boza is served with cinnamon and roasted chickpeas. Indispensable, especially in the winter months, because it is a vitamin, protein, and energy source. And I also heard that it's good against the coronavirus.